So naturally, Springfield, New Zealand would sell pink frosted donuts, so we're gonna pop a couple of those. Oh, there's a really cute dog. Let's film that. Oh, he's so cute. Look
What's
at that
name?
face.
Alfie.
Alfie, gotcha. Such a cute dog.
You're so happy.
Hi, Alfie.
Christmas has come and gone. Ling and I have been staying at this beautiful beach house here out in Sumner Beach. We've been here for the past week just working remotely, but now we are on summer vacation. Summer vacation is a bit weird in New Zealand. Growing up in Canada, summer break is between the months of June, July, August, and then, back to school in September. In New Zealand, it's a bit different. Imagine Christmas holiday overlapping your summer break, and that's basically what it is here in New Zealand. And for the rest of us working folk, we get 2 weeks off. It's time to leave Christchurch and head up to Arthur's Pass. Dino Sam, you guys remember Dino Sam from previous vlogs? Ka pai.
Have a great day. Ka pai.
Boil 'em, mash 'em, stick 'em in a stew.
Potatoes, boil them, mash them, stick them in a stew. Peace out.
So he's just 40 minutes north of Christchurch, so we're gonna drive up there, collect him, and together we're all gonna head over to Arthur's Pass. Sidey Spidey's been busy all night.
And there's no bugs in it, so it's like, are you eating?
Okay, we just packed up the car for like the umpteenth time. So we just gotta drive 48 minutes north to Leithfield, collect Sam. Let's go. Bye, Sumner.
Where's the son of a preacher man? Ooh, $2.99 for blueberries.
We're almost at Leithfield, which is where Sam's family's summer batch is at, and they invited us in for brekkie. So let's hope for something more than sliced bread and raw carrots.
We need to turn right onto King Street.
My
Your street.
slow nod.
You've been talking for hours. That's how slow you have to go in a batch town.
Oh, it could speed up to 20.
Oh.
We're just gonna go in, have some breakfast with his family,
What
and
happened
then
to the cookies? I laid them out flat yesterday.
so when I was packing the things in our room, I stacked the Tupperware of cookies on top
dropped
of
it.
the shoebox, and it
dropped it.
slid off and it fell on the floor, and cookies just spilled out everywhere. My bad. Is there any like carpet hair in there? And now Sam's gonna watch this video and be like, I ate those cookies. I didn't know they fell on the carpet. We're gonna go in now. We just had a delicious breakfast, and look who's here.
Hello, kia ora.
Ka pai.
Ka pai. Ka pai.
All right, we're complete. Let's get a move on then.
Let's go.
First stop, Springfield Donut.
Like what? Yeah, let's get a shot of it as we approach the donut.
Wow, there's a lot of people here. Oh, do they actually sell donuts? They sell donuts. Here it is!
Oh, there
It looks like a big cartoon!
Awesome.
So just a little backstory to the Springfield Donut. They had this big competition around the world with all the towns named Springfield over who was going to be the town to host the premiere of the Simpsons movie. I think the whole point was to build donuts in the Springfield towns, and then people would vote on which town would win. Springfield, New Zealand didn't win, but they still have the pink frosted donut. Get a selfie.
And Sam.
I want to take a bite out of that donut. We are here reporting live from the Springfield Donut in Springfield, New Zealand. Oh my god. There's a donut. There's the hole. Without question, you gotta go with the pink icing. Hundreds, thousands is the colorful one?
Yeah, yes.
Oh yeah. Hundreds, thousands.
That's just like sprinkles.
Just basically the classic donut. 3 toppings of your choice. What else would you want to put after the pink frosting and the hundreds and thousands?
Oh.
We take camels and ducks. Ducks alright? Oh,
Yeah. Can I get one with pink icing and hundreds and thousands? Classic.
All the donuts in the world. Ironic punishment division. Look at that.
Oh, beauty. Beauty.
You a donut?
Oh yeah, for sure. In the well.
It's like a dessert, isn't it?
Here we go. Pink frosted donut in front of the big pink frosted donut.
You need to take a bite and see if there's jelly inside.
Imagine it drops on the floor.
Oh, you just sat on all the bird poo.
Oh, it's already dry. I like that it's not actually fruit flavored icing.
Oh, it's not.
No. Straight with like vanilla. Not even vanilla, just sweet.
Sugar.
Yeah. That's a good donut.